Are there any fees associated with transferring my Amazon gift card balance to my bank account?
Hello, viewers. Today, we are going to talk about an important question that many of you have been asking. Can I transfer my Amazon gift card balance to my bank account, and are there any associated fees? Let's dive into the details.
Can I transfer my Amazon gift card balance to my bank account?
According to the Amazon gift cards terms and conditions, gift card balances cannot be transferred to bank accounts. Your Amazon gift card balance is only to be used for the purchase of eligible goods and services on Amazon and certain related sites.
Are there any fees associated with the transferring?
Since direct transfers of Amazon gift card balance to a bank account is not possible as per Amazon's policy, the question of any associated fees does not arise. It's important to understand that Amazon gift card balance is not transferable to any bank account and thus no fees are associated with such a transfer.
Can I convert my Amazon gift card balance into cash?
While direct bank transfers are not allowed, there might be other ways to convert your Amazon gift card balance into cash, such as selling the card to a third-party buyer. However, be aware that this may be against Amazon's terms of service and may lead to your account being suspended. It's always best to use the gift card balance for purchases on Amazon or their associated sites. To wrap things up, as per Amazon's policy, you cannot transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account and therefore there are no fees associated with such a transfer. Remember to use your gift card balance responsibly for purchases within Amazon's platform. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.